yogurt bowl with granola from Ellen, bananas, and eggs with my pop chips from yesterday. So let's eat. I don't know what to eat first. Okay, eggs first. Go first. Hydrate.
Estava a viver, caminhando na vida, sempre chorando por uma nova ferida. Mas como até que de um mato nasce uma flor, muitas vezes é da dor que vem o amor. Eu que pensava que era engano, olho seus olhos de luz e vejo anjo. Esqueci dos tropeços, esqueci das caídas,
C'est joli comme ça.
em noites perdidas. Vou encontrar meu
Yeah.
Let's go. It's like a bingsu, but
encontrei a paz.
tea.
Non, vraiment pas. Tu peux aller là-bas. Bon
Oh,
appétit.
I got quinoa, falafel, sauce.
Ça vaut les...
Good. Oh, hey.
Sorriso, encontrei a paz.
Nice and warm.
Alguém que preciso.
Là, j'ai même pas de mots.
Olhar mais
J'ai
pra
pas de mots pour
trás.
expliquer ce que je viens de faire.
Foi do seu sorriso.
Déjà, je comprends pas. Dans toutes les façons, quand il y a des drinks, you stop with the drinks. 1, 2, 3 drinks first.
Alguém que preciso.
I don't care. You stop with the drinks.
Olhar mais pra
Like a
trás.
Utopis. I'm gonna grab a baguette maybe. We'll see. Good morning, friends. Today we have 1/3 of a baguette, and I have my terrines, the pork. I think this is turkey or chicken, and then I think that's turkey, yeah. And then, okay, I have no idea anymore, but yeah. And then with my avocado that I'm gonna eat with this, and a yogurt bowl. Mainly just trying to finish my food.
Right. Okay. So I'm gonna start off with avocado first. This is a huge avocado and it costs €3, so it better be good. Okay, I can take more. Chicken.
Let's go. Wow. So we have, yay! And then there is quinoa, water, orange juice. I love that. Biscuit. Yeah. For her.